Good morning. My name is Gianfranco Bienvenuto, a student from Camarines Norte State College under the Department of Education, taking up Bachelor of Elementary Education, BEd 2A. And today I'm going to talk about the importance of ethics and what is ethics and how can it help and shape the society. So first, what is ethics? Ethics is a study of moral appropriate behavior and decision and examining what should be done in society. So ethics, ito yung nagtuturo sa mga individual to help them become good citizen and kung paano sila magiging mabuting mamamayan. And ethics also, it deals with good or bad conduct. So dito na nalalaman ng bawat individual what is good and what is bad. So ethics, so meron ditong 6 steps na ibigay kong example kung bakit merong ethics. So first, satisfying basic human needs. So ethics ay nakakatulong din ito para mas maging fair yung bawat individual and become honest and ethical in basic needs. Second, creativity, credibility. So itong second, it talks about the moral values is respected in society. So ito yung nagkakaroon ng credibility yung bawat individual. Uniting people and leadership. So ito yung nagbibigay alignment sa behavior ng bawat tao. So ito yung society ay nagiging united sila sa isang pag-uugali. And yung leader, siya yung nag-ano nito, kumbaga nagpasimula nito. Fourth, improving decision making. So ito din yung katulong na kung bakit ang isang tao ay nagiging successful. So it helps improve the decision making of individual. So through this ethics, kaya nagiging disiplinado yung mga mamamayan. So ito din ay long-term gain. So ito kapag nagawa yung ethics, so din siya, kapakanan din siya ng bawat isa. And yung sixth is the secure the society. So sa mga succeeded law, so ito yung ethics na katulong to safeguard the society and the environment. So nagkakaroon ng mga batas at patakaran. So that is the ethics. So ethics or moral behavior, most people learn ethics at home, school, and church, and other social settings. So diyan nagsisimula yung pagkatuto about the ethics. So, unang-una, home. Yan. So, sa magulang nagsisimula at sa mga kapatid na natututunan yung ethics. Second is the school. So, from the teacher and from the other classmates. So, dyan, nakukuha din yung kung paano matutunan yung ethics. Church. So, itong church ay isa din ito sa nakakatulong para matutunan yung moral conduct ng bawat individual. And sa mga social gathering, so dyan din natututunan yung ethics. So, what is the difference between ethics and the laws? So, ethics, it's talk about the rules of conduct. So, what does it mean? It talks about the people awareness sa kanilang mga attitude. And the laws, it talks about the rules developed by government. So, ito naman yung laws. It talks about the protection of the society and the citizens. So, nagpo-provide sila ng mga patakaran and yun yung pinapatupad. And that's all about the ethics. And thank you for watching my topic.